Blade the Assassin. Um, it's me, Blade the Assassin. Greenwood Fire, baby. Okay, I step up in the game, everybody know my name. Going out, I'm doing the thing like I'm walking fucking lane. Rhyme so tight and I bag it up nice. I got that girl talking to me like my name was Cody White. I got her speaking in tongues when she talking to a king. Got her bowing down and sucking on the thing. I got her wishing she was my American queen. Cause she see that I'm a king, even the American dream I'm representing. Everybody looking at a tower. See me speaking up and everything on the ladder. I got the flame, I got the might, I got the power, money, power, respect, and all you niggas love the dollar, got them hollering out my motherfucking name. I'm recording, I ain't on the Rick James, but I bitch slap a nigga, then I slap that trick, and everybody say the hood right after this shit, cause I'm like, who that, who that? Bitch, I got that flame, who that, who that? Bitch, I got that flame, who that, who that? Bitch, I got that flame, so don't worry about my motherfucking name. I got a flame, who that, who that? Cold, where? Who that? Who that? I gotta say, who that? Who that? Go, where? Who that? Who that? I ain't speaking in this thing like I'm rap cook. Rubbing in the kitchen every day, I got the rap cook. Bow my head down, I gotta pray for these niggas. Cause when I come up about a nigga, I'm on the eat, I'm on the do these mini freestyle. But I can do it a little bit longer. Give me 10 tracks and 10 girls and watch I take my phone and watch I do this like a mixtape. These niggas like the mixtape. Got all these girls with me like I'm on a lemon date. If you at the time, money, power, respect, then you'll get me. Cause I am the yes man. Anti-sway, nigga, ain't nobody hating. Nigga looking at me like I'm standing on the cake, man. Holla out my name. The niggas like the chain. These niggas like how I rhyme like a Rick James. I found something out, something that you should know. My name is Michael Jameer, so every time I go. Bitch, I got that flame. Who that? Who that? Bitch, I got that flame. Who that? Who that? Bitch, I got that flame, so don't worry about my motherfucking name. I gotta say, who that? Who that? Huh. Who that? Who that? I gotta say, who that? Who that? Cold word. Now who else wanna fuck with Hollywood Cold? I step up to you and I take your mic and then turn it to a bat, then a fucking fist fight. I don't like to use guns cause you niggas all cows. Anybody can pull a heat out, any niggas call cows. And you call yourself real when I'm ready to fight. I might get knocked out, but I'm still gonna fight. I took 3 licks, 2 X's, and I ain't looking for my third strike. Anybody calling out my name tonight, they hollering. Who that? Who that? Nigga, I'm in the game. G money back this time, yeah, known to click the claim. I can do this shit all day. Got you breathing anyway and watch me spit this fire like any day. Cause I'm laughing at you niggas, poking at the cows, looking at me blinking while I'm seeing at your cow. I ain't talking about this and I ain't talking like that, but I am the best at what I do. Niggas long rap, get you. Yep. G Money.